Stonehenge, a 5,000-year-old monument, still aligns with astronomical events to this day, by Luke. What is Stonehenge? Stonehenge is a monument in England made around 3000 BCE. It was built by ancient people to track the summer and winter solstices. As the sun moved throughout the year, different parts would shine through Stonehenge. For example, during the summer solstice, the sun would rise directly to the left of the heel stone, which was a bit further out than the other stones, and had evidence of a partner stone next to it that would have framed the sun as it rose. Then, during the winter solstice, the sun would set between the two stones of the tallest trilithon, which a trilithon is two stones next to each other with a third stone stacked on top between them. And during the winter solstice, the sun would set in the middle of the largest trilithon. The sun would also set over the altar stone during the winter solstice, which was a sandstone stone that was placed across the solstice axis. These stones were extremely precise in tracking and framing the sun during the solstices. And this is an incredible marvel because these stones ranged from being 15 miles away to 140 miles away, being 25 tons and 5 tons respectively, with some of them being intricately carved to perfectly frame the sun, specifically the largest trilithon, as it set during the winter solstice. This shows a tremendous dedication that these ancient people had to building this monument. But why would they have done that? Well, there are 3 primary reasons. Farmers living around that area could use this to track when they should plant and harvest their crops. Secondly, people around the area also used it for safety, so they could see when winter was about to happen and could prepare accordingly and not starve during the harsh conditions of winter during that time. Finally, Stonehenge seemed to have had a very large cultural significance to the people living around that area because around 150 cremated remains of people were found buried near Stonehenge, as well as other places near there where animal skeletons were found and seemingly where large feasts were celebrated during the winter solstice. Overall, this precision was needed for people to be able to stay safe, make food, and celebrate the solstices accordingly. And that shows a very fascinating glimpse into the ancient life of these people and how they carried themselves and went about their daily lives.